What if I told you that just 3 simple exercises done daily could help you stay strong, steady, and independent well into your 60s, 70s, and even 80s? Most people think you need a complicated workout routine or hours at the gym to keep your body healthy as you age, but the truth is, a few targeted moves can make a huge difference in your strength, balance, and confidence, no matter your fitness level. Today, I'm sharing the 3 best daily exercises every senior should do to keep living life on your own terms. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and if you find these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical wellness advice. Let's be honest. As we get older, it's easy to feel like our bodies are slowing down. Maybe you've noticed it's harder to get up from a chair, climb stairs, or keep your balance on uneven ground. You might even worry about losing your independence or missing out on the activities you love. But here's the good news. Your body is capable of amazing things, and it's never too late to start making positive changes. So what are the 3 simple exercises you should do every day? Let's get started. Exercise 1. Heel to toe walk, balance line walk. This move is a favorite of doctors and physical therapists because it's one of the best ways to improve your balance and prevent falls. Here's how to do it. Find a clear, straight path in your home, like a hallway. Stand tall with your arms out to your sides for balance. Place the heel of your right foot directly in front of the toes of your left foot so your feet form a straight line. Slowly step forward, placing your left heel directly in front of your right toes. Keep your eyes forward, your posture tall, and move slowly and with control. Take 10 to 20 steps, then turn around and walk back. If you feel unsteady, keep a hand near the wall or a sturdy chair for support. This exercise wakes up your balance system, strengthens your legs, and boosts your confidence with every step. Exercise 2. Seated knee extensions. Strong legs are the foundation of independence, and this move is perfect for building strength safely. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly straighten your right knee, lifting your foot until your leg is straight out in front of you. Hold for a second, then lower it back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times, then switch to the left leg. This exercise targets your thigh muscles, which are essential for walking, climbing stairs, and getting up from a chair. If you want a little extra challenge, try holding your leg up for a few seconds before lowering it. Exercise 3. Wall push-ups. Upper body strength is just as important as leg strength, especially for daily tasks like carrying groceries or getting up from the floor. Wall push-ups are a safe and effective way to build your arms, chest, and shoulders. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height. Keeping your body straight, bend your elbows and lean toward the wall. Then push back to the starting position. Do 10 to 15 repetitions. If it's too easy, step your feet a little farther from the wall. If it's too hard, move closer. Wall push-ups are gentle on your joints but powerful for your muscles. The best part? You don't need any special equipment, and you can do all these exercises at home in just a few minutes a day. Start with 1 or 2 moves and gradually add more as you get stronger. Focus on good form, move slowly, and listen to your body. If you feel pain, not just muscle fatigue, stop and check your technique or talk to your doctor. Let's recap. Heel to toe, walk for balance, seated knee extensions. For leg strength, wall push-ups. For upper body power. These 3 exercises will help you build real strength, improve your balance, and keep you moving with confidence no matter your age. Remember, it's never too late to start. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference in how you feel and what you can do. So, are you ready to take control of your health? Start today and see how quickly you notice a difference. And don't forget, leave a comment below telling us where you're watching from and which exercise you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to stay strong and independent. One move at a time, you can keep living life on your own terms.